In this video, I'm going to look at a study tip that I encourage my students to do, which is called Common Errors. And basically what it is trying to collate as you go all the top tips and all the common errors that you make. And so at its worst, students will be listening in class or extra lessons like I do, and they won't take any notes as they go through questions here and there. They'll take down the work that's happening in class. But those real nuggets that the teacher shares of, hey guys, you should write down this note, this is helpful, they don't even do that. At kind of medium best, a fair number of students will write down those things, but it will just be higgledy-piggledy and all over their books. And so when it comes to studying for a test or exam, it's just hard to find, and frankly, they probably don't consult it too much. At its absolute best is this technique of, if it was me, I would probably say at the back of my book, I would start working in reverse. And every time that I either notice a really, really helpful tip that either the teacher said this is a gem, like the Magic series that you might have watched on this channel, or if they've just given you information that you personally found seriously helpful to unlocking something for you, then at the back of your book you write all of that down. The other thing that you write at the back of the book is just common errors that you find you keep making. And so it's not that once-off mistake, it's that regular, I've got to the end of a question and I got so excited and I square rooted 9 and I got 3. And you keep forgetting to put plus minus 3. And so if you find, hey, this is an error that I keep making, also just write it at the back of your book. Why do you do that? Because A, you're keeping everything in one place. B, you're more likely to go back before testing exams to read it because it's all in one place. And lastly, you can build up your own series of key tips and key errors that you make. And so if it comes to the point where you've got 10 minutes before the exam starts, you're not wading through pages and pages and pages of notes or textbooks, but you often will find that you only have 2, 3, 4 pages that you just quickly whiz through to remind yourself of the key information and the key errors that you make, and boom, then you dive into your exam. I hope that you found this idea of keeping all your common errors and tips in one short little place at the back of your book helpful. If you found this useful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks.